Hi, good morning students. Today we will read our next chapter, that is poem Geography lesson written by Zulfikar Ghosh. First we will read about the poet. The poet Zulfikar Ghosh, born on 13 March 1935 in Sialkot, Pakistan. His father Khwaja Mohammad Ghosh was a businessman. Zulfikar Ghosh is a novelist, poet, and essay writer, a native of India and current resident of Texas. His works are primarily magical realism, blending fantasy and harsh realism. In 1942, during the Second World War, the family moved to Bombay. After the partition of British India into Pakistan and India, Ghosh and his family emigrated to England. Two collections of his poetry were published. One of them is The Loss of India in 1964 and second one is Jets from Orange in 1967. After that, he moved from London to the United States in 1969 to teach at the University of Texas, where he lived since. Now, introduction to the poem. The poem is about the way Earth looks from different altitude. In this poem, the poet describes the view of the Earth from the different altitude, from the different height. Basically, the poem is divided into three parts. In the first part, the poet describes the view of the Earth when the jet takes off or starts climb up in the sky. And in the second part, the poet describes the view of the Earth at the height of 10,000 feet. And in the third part or last part, the poet describes the view of the Earth at the height of 6 miles. In the poem, the poet describes his opinion of the land below when viewed from the sky. He finds the earth the least attractive from the above and continues going higher up. As the poet moves higher, he realized that the country is full of cities and valleys. This made him realize that people are completely dependent on land and water for their existence. At one point of time, the poet also realizes that there is more water on the earth than land. He also understands that there are many boundaries on earth that lead to hatred among the people. Now see the poem, the first part of the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. In this part, poet described the view of the earth when his jet takes off or starts climb up in the sky. From the window of the jet, the poet see the view of the earth, and it was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. And from the window, the poet is see the view of the earth is looking very small. 1 mile could be looking 6 inches size. And the poet can see the development of the cities. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style. And from that height, poet is looking the development of the city, and poet looks that the city is looking very haphazard, very unplanned. It is not in a planned manner or in a particular order. When the jet sprang into the sky, जब पोइट का जेट है वो टेक ऑफ होता है और स्काई में उड़ना शुरू करता है, तो पोइट अपने जेट की विंडो से देखता है कि उसको अर्थ है वो बहुत ही छोटी दिखाई देती है। 1 माइल की जो जगह है वो 6 इंचेज के बराबर दिखाई देती है, और सिटी की जो डेवलपमेंट है वो क्लियरली वहाँ से दिखाई देता है। और कुछ अनअवॉइडेबल चीज़ें हैं जो पोइट अपने आप उनको अवॉइड नहीं कर पा रहा है। डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि सिट ऑन द ग्राउंड सिटी इज़ लुकिंग वेरी हैपहैजर्ड, वेरी अनप्लान्ड। वहाँ से जहाँ से जो उनका जेट उड़ना शुरू करता है उस हाइट पे अगर हम देखें तो सिटी बहुत ही अनप्लान्ड मैनर में बसी हुई दिखाई देती है। From the height of this, the city is looking like this. In the second part, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. In this part, the poet described the view of the earth from the height of 10,000 feet. इसमें पोइट अर्थ का व्यू डिस्क्राइब करता है जब वो 10,000 फीट की हाइट पे पहुंच जाता है। हेड सिटीज वेयर द रिवर रेन, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. And the poet is looking, the population are there where the rivers ran or valleys, means जहाँ पे ज़मीन है और जहाँ पे पानी है, वाटर रिसोर्सेज हैं, लोग वहीं पे ज़्यादा बसे हुए हैं। The logic of geography, that land and water attracted men. And poet can understand the logic of the geography that land and water attracted man. It means the man is required land and water for his existence, कि जहाँ पे पानी और ज़मीन ज़्यादा है वहीं पे लोग ज़्यादा बसे हुए हैं। was clearly delineated, इस हाइट से ये क्लियरली क्या हो रहा है, डेलिनेटेड हो रहा है, डिस्क्राइब हो रहा है, शोन हो रहा है, वहाँ से क्लियरली दिखाई दे रहा है कि कहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादा बसे हुए हैं। फ्रॉम द हाइट ऑफ 10,000 फीट द सिटी इज लुकिंग लाइक दिस। इन द थर्ड पार्ट, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From the height, it was not clear why. In this part, the poet is described the view of the earth from the height of 6 miles. From that height, it was clear the earth is looking round and it had more sea than land, and there are more water than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height also, the poet is unable to understand the causes for what the men living on the earth are fight to each other, hatred to each other, and making the walls across the city, making their boundaries, and killing each other. The poet is not understand the reason. So from that height also it was not clear. It was clear the earth is round and there is more water than land, but it is not clear. The poet could not understand why the men on the earth fight to each other, kill each other. Now See the word meaning. Inevitable means unavoidable, जिसको avoid नहीं किया जा सके. Haphazard without plan और without order, जिसको किसी बिना प्लान के बिना किसी ऑर्डर के डेवलप किया गया हो. Delineated means shown or described. Now see the summary of the poem. The poet watches the land from the sky. He finds it discovered the ground spread in non-attracting way. As he reached more higher, he saw the populated valleys and countries. The reason was simple, that the land and water attracted the people for his requirement, for his existence. Then he went up to the 6 miles, and the round earth appeared to have more water than land. From that height it was not easily visible that the hatred among made the people and different to each other. Why the people fight to each other. Thank you.